Hello, good afternoon to everybody, especially to mga mamami. Ituhan kayo maila lang sila. Hana kasagana, I'm not prepared for any speeches. But just like to acknowledge first the help of the team, Parimar, amin kami. Actually, it so happened that I am only here speaking in behalf of the team. But marami kami, we are a lot. Like Director Rufino of BIR, Manong Eugene, General Martin, General Dimas, Mayor Pasiwon, others. Actually, marami kami, but of course, through the active participation of Mr. Engineer John Marasigan, Tayoni Rex, Parimar, Tony, all the teams, or General Kayat, Frankie, Miranda. The CGFI, I'll just give you a little background about the CGFI. It was created 4 years ago. So, this coming tournament by April is fourth CGFI tournament. So, tatlo ba lang? So, we just finished 3 years in our tournament. It so happened that this plan to organize ourselves as golfers of Cordillera. But to inform everybody, Cordillera is also a melting point of so many regional groups. Kinagpaiso na, ang dami nating, ang dami dito, mga brothers from lowland or from lowlands staying here in Baguio, our kakailan also coming from the different provinces of CAR. But not particularly, kinagpaiso na, mas active pa nga itong mga brothers natin from lowlands. Isulati ka ngayon, that working during the tournaments, solicitation paperwork, and this, everything. Kaya salamat. Handang is a Cordilleran to all Cordillerans residing here in Cordillera, Detipana. So, with the previous tournaments, we were able to humbly donate. We started from education. Education, the first one. We were able to build little classrooms from 6 different provinces including city of Baguio. Ang Baguio, din tayo na mga kailangan nila. Through Superintendent Suraya, Pakulo, it's a dental chair. We were able to donate also 2 dental chairs. So, to name a few. Marami din, last year, we were able to donate or funded some of the pasensya kayo, patakla mga sa opisamo, binilot ako ng pinapawisan. Mas mainit pa dito kaysa sa golf course. But anyway, last year we were able to donate also some medical equipment to different barangay health centers. Yun ang nagawa natin last year. And now, we are thinking of something, kalat ko namin, siguro, we have to think a bigger project in which we came out in this dialysis machine. But honestly, we were not able to complete the whole 6 provinces and including the city of Baguio. So kung makita ninyo 4 pa lang ngayon. So we'll be having our tournament again on April 13 to 18. Hoping to raise funds again to complete the 3, tatlo awan di maubos. So we have to give also the dialysis machine in Ifugao, Apra, Bengue, and hoping furthermore. So that's the little story, humble story of our group, the Cordillera Golfers Foundation Incorporated. At salamat po, iti Director, Mamami, and the others that will turn over these machines. At anong sa inyo, hoping makatulong isang kakailan ako, Cordillera. Salamat, kami sa aking tabang.